Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Coloane, established 2020. So we're gonna get the lobster bun. This one. There it is. So this is also on a little patio called Patio de Greta. So we're gonna walk on this little patio. This is the heart of Coloane village, right in this space. Chinese New Year. So let's kind of meander this way a little bit. So yeah, that was basically Greta Avenue, Seyo Cafe, and we're down here by So I've never seen this one. It's called Seyo Cafe, but it looks like they have some really interesting food here, including kind of a mixed range. There's Japanese food, there's Italian food, Japanese, and they also have this one right here, this lobster bun, and I think that's the one I'm gonna try. Let me give you a little context of where we are. We are in Patio de Greta. It's a little patio. And we're gonna try that on Patio de Greta, and then we're gonna go down Patio de Greta as well and focus that. And we're in this Coloane village area, and so down that way goes the waterfront. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna enjoy the food, show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna show you what the street looks like as well. So let's check it all out. Seyo Cafe. So yeah, actually the Seyo Cafe. So Coloane, established 2020. So we're gonna get the lobster bun. This one. Oh, 168. Didn't realize it was 168. That's okay, we'll try it anyways. And we're also gonna get a lime soda right here too. So that should taste pretty good. So, okay. Looks like I am getting this one, so we'll see. 168. It's more than I wanted, but should be pretty tasty. So there it is. So this is this one right here, the signature bun. So we have the bun right in here, and then we have some really tasty looking. Let's take a bite here. Yeah, it's really tasty. Okay. That's really tasty. It's really good. Okay. So I just took the bread, so you can see all that in there in the bun. It's really tasty. Yeah. So this is also on a little patio called Patio de Greta. So we're gonna walk on this little patio. This is the heart of Coloane village, right in this space. The waterfront is down that way. We're gonna go to that on our way. At the end of the street, we're gonna take a right and kind of highlight. So we just had a Seyo Cafe. That's kind of a really cool balcony right there. The Seyo Cafe is a restaurant that's been there since 2020. So I was just kind of reading the menu a little bit. So it actually came right around the same time that COVID kind of shut down the city. So that's actually really amazing that they survived, because a lot of places, especially down here, without any tourists coming in, didn't survive. So that was actually so that's a testament to the quality of the food. And that was like a very fresh lobster. And there's a lot of different stuff in here. Patio de Gordo Cafe. Gordo is like, that's kind of a cool name. So it looks like our little Greta ended already. So now we're on Rua de Meio. but the Greto sign was right out front. So what we're gonna do next is we're just going to go through Coloane village, kind of give you an idea what Coloane village looks like. I guess our Greto was quite small. I should explore it and see if that Greto was, how that mixed with Meio Street. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna meander straight down here, and I gotta get going somewhere. So what we're gonna do next is show you the waterfront and just kind of show you this Coloane village that we're located at, and then we'll kind of give you an idea of this little area here. Let me just kind of, as we go down, we're just going to capture some of this. So this is actually a cafe. It's been here since 1972. This is St. Francis's Church right here, St. Francis Xavier. And we're gonna step in here real quick. And we're just gonna come right through here. So there's actually quite a few dogs right there. So we're gonna go all the way through this little market here and go to the waterfront. And I wish I had more time. Chinese New Year. So let's kind of meander this way a little bit. So yeah, that was basically Greta Avenue, Seyo Cafe, and we're down here by, you got a white ale beer now? That's new, that white ale beer. This is a very popular place to eat in Coloane. So, and we're just going to go across, and we'll kind of end it there for you. So this is basically this whole Coloane area. Let me come over here a little bit. So yeah, you basically have this beautiful waterfront, and it overlooks the University of Macau is over there. This is a amusement park over there. So all of that is part of this Coloane area. And we're kind of giving you a brief little tour of this Coloane area. And there's also a little spot over here, this biblioteca. It's a library. And I think I'm just going to come over there and film it, and then we're going to end our video. So at least you have a little taste of Macau in Coloane. Then yeah, that's a little biblioteca right there. And this whole little area is called Coloane Village. So we're gonna end it. We'll end it right there, I guess. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.